Alrighty, here we are on Verbolten, back row. We're about to brave the Black Forest, so let's go, shall we? We're supposed to stay out of the Black Forest. I have a feeling it's going to take us right there. Oh boy. Well, you ready, Bo?
I'm ready.
Well,
I think.
here we go. Woo! Oh boy, it's dark. Wow, it's really slowing up. Yo! And we back. Huh.
That was cool.
That was cool. That drop track gets me every time.